Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to smash or destroy my project. It's a helicopter basically, and I made it so flat and it doesn't look like a helicopter. It's more like a flattened, I don't know, flattened vehicle. I don't think so, but yeah, I already give it to my teacher and he gave me 6 out of 10. Yeah, it's very rubbish and I'm gonna destroy or smash or whatever. First of all, I'm gonna throw this thing from third floor to the bottom, and later I'm gonna use my hammer to destroy this because it's very rubbish. Okay, it doesn't look like a helicopter. It's like flattened and it's made out of cardboard and tape, glue, and nothing else, and paint, whatever. So let's get started. Now I am going to throw this helicopter from third floor to the bottom. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. Wait first. Let me go see. As you can see, the helicopter is not broken. There's nothing fallen out except for this thing. Yeah, I did not take that out. And this is already broken from the beginning. So now I am going to use my hammer to destroy this helicopter, which I got my hammer here, and to smash this helicopter into pieces, because I don't need to use this this project. Teachers already given me the mark, so yeah, why not destroy it? So yeah, let me just put the camera down here and I will destroy my helicopter. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. Is it broken? Oh my god. I think so. Let's do that again. Well, what just happened? This thing flew out from the helicopter. Oh, it's a piece from here, I think. Yeah, you see, it's already broken. Yeah, this is it. This is the things from here. So that is destroyed. Yeah, and it's made out of, it's taped together, not glue. Whatever. Now let's keep destroying this thing. Whoa. Can't I destroy this? Look, see? It's like invincible. Is this thing made of metal or something? Because I can't destroy it. What the hell? You see, you can destroy this, see? It's not fully destroyed. Can make this into pieces, but I'll keep on smashing. The hell? Did I make this into metal? You see, I can't even make it flatten. Come on, see, it's now flattened, but it's not in pieces. I want to see it in pieces. Come on. Okay, I cannot break this thing, except for tearing it apart. But, see? Let's just keep on destroying. Bam. Come on. Can this thing break? Oh yes. Yes. The propellers is broken. You can see this was glue here before, and now it's broken. Just get destroyed. Come on. I want to see results. Can this thing break? Oh my gosh. Come on. Destroy this thing. Yeah. Now this is broken, whatever. Let's get destroyed. Oh my god. And now this thing is fully flattened. What a great thing to do. This is the best idea I had in my video. Just destroy it. Okay. I think this is the end of the video. I already, destroyed this stupid helicopter that I made for my project. Yeah, whatever, rubbish. So, thank you for watching my video. I'll be doing more videos. I think so, but not every time gaming videos. Sometimes special video or whatever. I don't know. So thanks guys. Please leave a like and subscribe to my video.